Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. ATV2 Li-ion battery, 30-minute recharge, 120 cuts on 4x4 lumber, 16 inches low kickback bar and chain with electronic brake for safety. Replacement chains, 2,904,402, 2,904,302. High performance brushless motor, increased torque, runtime, and durability. Auto oiler for continuous bar and chain lubrication. Transparent oil tank for easy monitoring of oil level. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Auto tensioning system, tightens the chain with the twist of a dial. 18 inches bar and chain, 11,000 RPMs. For efficient clean cuts. Brushless motor, extends the life of the tool. Bright LED headlights, illuminate your work area. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 40 volts compact chainsaw, perfect for homeowners and occasional users. 12 inches bar and chain, low kickback safety chain with hand guard for added protection. Automatic oiler, applies oil to bar and chain when needed to ensure durability and optimal use. Tool less tensioning, for easy bar and chain maintenance. Easy to use, electric start. No gas or fumes, no carburetor, no spark plug, and no starter rope. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 24 volts lithium-ion battery compatible with both indoor and outdoor tools. 2 Ah battery and charger included. 10-inch bar and chain. Perfect for cutting branches and limbs with ease. Tool less chain tensioning for quick adjustments so you can get back to the task at hand. Automatic oiler applies oil to the arm and chain to ensure durability and extend the life of the chain. Translucent oil tank for clear view of oil level.